What's up, modern marketers? It's time to get nerdy and talk about SEO. Get those notes out and pour yourself a big cup of coffee. Let's do this. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's simply where your website ranks on Google for related keywords. So, if you shoot weddings, for example, and someone types in Iowa wedding photographer, how close to the top of Google are you in the organic rankings? There are tons of strategies to help you increase your organic search rankings, and that's what we're going to cover today. And yes, you could just pay for Google ads to show up at the top of Google, but they're a lot more expensive than they need to be, and let's be honest, when was the last time you clicked on a sponsored ad on Google? 99% of people scroll right past those and click on the first few organic rankings, aka SERPs, Search Engine Result Pages. Alright, first let's define your keywords. Keywords are the ideas and topics that define what your content is about. As a website owner and content creator, you want the keywords on your page to be relevant to what people are searching for so they have a better chance of finding your content among the results. There are two types of keywords that you need to know about. These are short tail and long tail keywords. Short tail keywords, also known as head terms, are search phrases containing 1 to 2 words. For example, trainers and boxing trainers. Short tail keywords are highly competitive and harder to rank for on Google. But if you're able to rank for a short tail keyword, you'll have an extremely high search volume. Long tail keywords are search phrases containing 3 or more words. For example, women's boxing trainer, or women's boxing trainer Iowa City, or best women's boxing trainers near me. Long tail keywords are more descriptive and allow you to target your ideal customer. They're usually low competition and have high conversion rates, but their search volume is a lot less than that of short tail keywords. Start thinking about keywords for your business. Listing them out will not only help you with your SEO strategy, but will also help with your hashtag strategy on social media. Think of your hashtags on social media as a great way for your business to be found via specific keyword searches. Your social media hashtags will likely be the same keywords you create in your keyword strategy for SEO. You can do your own keyword research using sites like Moz's Keyword Explorer, Keywords Everywhere, and TubeBuddy for optimizing and ranking YouTube videos. Another great tool is Neil Patel's Uber Suggest. Tools like these help you come up with ideas and phrases that will rank well on Google or YouTube. They'll show you the competition and likelihood that you'll rank on the first page for those specific keywords. Definitely check them out when you're putting your keyword strategy together. Ideally, you'll want 6 main keywords you'd like to rank for. Focusing on 3 short tail and 3 long tail keywords when optimizing your website will be best. This is not to say that you shouldn't have a long list of other keywords you'd like to rank for. You'll want a list when really diving deep into your SEO, and when coming up with hashtags for your business's hashtag bank. You'll also want to include hashtags that are extremely popular alongside ones that aren't quite as well known. You have a higher chance of ranking at the top of search for the hashtags with a smaller audience, versus that of a hashtag that has millions of uses or followers. Once you have your keywords and have started your hashtag bank, which is just your list of hashtags all put in one place, you can jump into the world of SEO. There are 2 main types of search engine optimization: on-page and off-page. On-page SEO is everything you're doing on your website to better your search engine rankings, aka SERPs. This involves optimizing your content, meta tags, and other elements in your website with your keywords and phrases that you'd like to rank for. This also includes techniques like increasing your page load speed. You can do this through Google PageSpeed Insights, using links to and from trusted websites to help you build your Web 2.0 network, and paying attention to your headers, anchor text, and alt image tags. It's also important to make sure your website doesn't contain any broken links, aka links to other websites that no longer work or exist. Off-page SEO is everything you're doing off your website to better your search engine rankings, aka SERPs. This involves any activities that draw awareness and referral traffic to your site from other sites. Social media is a main contributor to building strong off-page optimization strategy. This is known as increasing your social signals. Every time you have a social media platform linked to your website or write a post on that platform, it pings Google and tells them that you're still relevant. Google's algorithm prefers promoting SERPs that are constantly proving their relevance. Also, articles, guest blogging, and other forms of brand mentions are great for off-page SEO. Images and videos contain a ton of SEO-friendly data, so increasing the amount of these types of content will be very important. Another strategy to consider when boosting your off-page SEO is link building. Link building is the process of acquiring hyperlinks from other websites to your own. A hyperlink, usually just called a link, is a way for users to navigate between pages on the internet. And inbound links, also known as backlinks, are hyperlinks that point from one website to another. Search engines use links to crawl the web, and if your website has more quality and trusted links than others, the likelihood that you'll rank higher than your competitors is good. When I say crawl the web, I'm referring to Google spiders, aka bots. Given that thousands of new web pages are developed and published every day, with even more web pages being constantly updated and redesigned, Google spiders go through the web analyzing pages, code, and links so it can find out where to rank you in their algorithm. When it crawls your pages, it indexes your site. By using Google Search Console, aka Google Webmaster Tools, you can check to see how Google is indexing your site and figure out what can be done to improve its performance. Okay, are you overwhelmed yet? SEO can oftentimes be pretty overwhelming. Just know that a lot of small changes on and off your website will help your SERPs, aka Google rankings. WordPress is the most trusted website builder by Google, and it offers a ton more depth when it comes to SEO strategies than sites like Wix or Squarespace. Take small steps like first ensuring that your keywords are throughout your website, and then install Yoast Premium on your WordPress website. This plugin will help you break down what changes you need to make to ensure your site is SEO friendly. You'll get the green Good to Go icon at the top of your dashboard when you know that you've completed the necessary fields that you're prompted to in Yoast. It'll tell you what to change and how to make those changes until your website has a perfect SEO technique implemented. It's by far the best plugin for SEO out there.